Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lonavala Fudge. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of rich, full cream milk and 1 cup of granulated sugar to form the sweet base. For that classic chocolate taste, have 1/4 cup of good quality cocoa powder ready. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and about 1/2 cup of your favorite chopped nuts, like cashews or walnuts. Make sure your pan and tray are prepared. Now let's start building our delicious fudge base. Pour the 2 cups of full cream milk and 1 cup of granulated sugar into your heavy-bottomed pan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally to ensure the sugar fully dissolves. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low. Continue stirring for about 5 minutes. This helps the milk begin to thicken beautifully, preparing it for the next steps. Next, it's time to add more flavor and richness. Stir in the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and the 1/4 cup of cocoa powder into your simmering milk mixture. Now, the most important part. Continue stirring continuously on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. The mixture will thicken significantly and start leaving the sides of the pan. You're looking for a consistency where it forms a soft ball when dropped into cold water. Finally, let's get our delicious Lonavala Fudge ready to enjoy. Once the fudge reaches the perfect consistency, remove the pan from the heat. Quickly stir in your 1/2 cup of chopped nuts, ensuring they are well distributed throughout the mixture. Immediately pour the hot fudge into your greased baking tray and smooth the top evenly. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature for several hours until firm. Then, simply cut into 1-inch squares and savor your homemade delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.